Hello guys, I'm back with a new video. In this video, we'll be discussing a new hiring opportunity from Infosys. So let's get into the topic without wasting much time. Infosys has come up with their off-campus hiring for two roles, that is system engineer and operations executive. For the system engineer role, Infosys is allowing B.Tech, M.Tech, MCA and M.Sc students, and for the operations executive role, they are allowing BCA, B.Sc, B.Com and also diploma students. And a good thing to note is they are allowing students of passing out from year 2019 to 22. There is a huge opportunity for you. So have a look at this criteria, and if it fit for you, then only watch this video. Otherwise, don't waste your precious time. Now let's talk about each role one by one deeply. The first role is system engineer. So here are the eligibility criteria that I'm showing to you guys. So candidates should have the respective degree, that is B.Tech, M.Tech, MCA and M.Sc also. All branches are allowed for the B.Tech and M.Tech, but for MCA and M.Sc only CS, that is computer science, mathematics, statistics and electronics streams are only allowed. And graduates from 2019 to 2022, all batches are allowed for this role. But one thing to note that they shouldn't have any active backlog. And one more thing to keep in mind, that if you have appeared for any Infosys hiring exam in the last 6 months, then you are not allowed for this opportunity. The CTC is going to be 3.6 LPA. Along with that, additional benefits, that is health insurance of rupees 4 lakh per annum and a life cover of rupees 30 lakhs per annum will be given. Talking about the selection process, there will be an online test followed by an interview. The syllabus for the online test is shown in this picture. You can refer this picture and search online for materials. So prepare well before appearing. So if you want to apply for this role, then check the description for the application link and fill out the form. And one thing to keep in mind, that the last date to fill this form is 13th February, that is Sunday. So if you want to apply for this role, so you can apply before 13th February. Now I will talk about the next role, that is operations executive. So these are the eligibility criteria for this role. So graduates of B.Sc, BCA and Diploma from 2019, 2022, 2021 and 2022 batch are allowed. But for the B.Com, only 2020 and 2021 students are only eligible. So keep in mind that. The same rule, no active backlogs are allowed. So these are the eligibility criteria for this role. I hope you guys understand this. The selection procedure also same. The first step is there will be an online test. After that, you will get a chance to sit in a virtual interview if you clear the test. So this is the selection process. And if you want to participate in this opportunity, so here are the links. You can find out these links in the description also I have given. So check out the links and apply if you want to appear. So that's it for today's video. I hope this opportunity information is helpful for you guys. So if you find this video helpful, then you can like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will be making more videos on this type of opportunities and hiring. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.